How to clear app usage data on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear app users' data on your iPhone. Whether you're looking to free up space, improve performance, or simply maintain your privacy, this quick tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you'll find all of the options to manage your apps and their data. Scroll down and tap on App Store. This will take you to the settings specific to the App Store and app-related data. Inside the App Store settings, scroll down and tap on Personalized Recommendations. Here, you'll see an option to clear users' data. Tap on it and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm the action and all the users' data associated with personalized recommendations will be cleared. If you ever need to clear this data again in the future, simply repeat the process. It's a quick and easy way to keep your data fresh and your privacy intact. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.